Is your McAfee apps not working because of the McAfee VSO Config Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. To start our troubleshooting for McAfee VSO Config Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the McAfee VSO Config Library, the McAfee VSO Configuration module. It manages the unmanaged localized registry-to-binary state transitions for McAfee VirusScan. It facilitates the loading of localized scan engine preferences and exclusion lists. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool. Run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure McAfee VSO Config Library DLL is restored to its original verified state. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered McAfee VSO Config Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. If you're attempting to register McAfee VSO Config Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to McAfee VSO Config Library and registry optimization. If McAfee VSO Config Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.